Collision course. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, collision course. This phrase is often used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can really enrich your English language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this interesting expression. Collision course typically refers to a situation where two or more parties are on a path that will lead to a conflict or a problematic situation. The term originates from navigation and describes when two ships or aircraft are heading towards each other, likely to collide if they don't change course. In everyday language, it's used metaphorically to describe any situation where a clash or conflict seems inevitable. For example, if two politicians have very opposing views and are unwilling to compromise, they might be said to be on a collision course, indicating that a conflict between them is likely. In politics, collision course is often used to describe situations where different governments or political parties are heading towards a major disagreement or conflict. In personal relationships, this phrase can describe a situation where individuals or groups are likely to have a significant disagreement or fallout. In business and economics, in the business world, companies or economies can be on a collision course when their interests clash, potentially leading to a competitive conflict or a market crisis. 1. The two world leaders are on a collision course over climate change policies. 2. Their differing views on the project put them on a collision course with each other. 3. The new tax laws set the government on a collision course with small business owners. Understanding phrases like collision course adds depth to your English comprehension and allows you to grasp the subtleties in different types of communication. I hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself navigating the language with greater ease and confidence. See you in the next video.